A US Navy destroyer has collided with a Philippine container ship off the east coast of Japan. The Navy says the USS Fitzgerald is now heading for the nearby port under its own power. The Japanese Coast Guard is at the scene. There are reports of some injuries, No details have been released about the container ship, though, the ACX Crystal. Sarah Corker has more.
The USS Fitzgerald sustained significant damage to its starboard side. In the middle of the night, it somehow collided with a container ship at the approach to Tokyo Bay. 7 sailors are still missing. 3 crew members were airlifted to hospital, including the ship's commanding officer, who is in a stable condition. The total number of injured is unknown. The incident happened at 2:30 a.m. local time on Saturday, 56 nautical miles southwest of Yokosuka, a busy commercial waterway. And this is the merchant vessel involved, the Philippine-registered ACX Crystal, with relatively light damage on the port bow. But the Fitzgerald, with a crew of more than 300 sailors, started taking on water, with at least 3 compartments flooded.
There's major damage to the ship, and anytime you hear that a ship is taking on water, that means, of course, that the hull has been breached. And so this was not just bumping each other. This was a pretty serious collision, and we'll have to wait to see why it happened, why the 2 ships either didn't see each other or didn't communicate clearly, or if there was something else going on.
The Fitzgerald is a guided missile destroyer based at Yokosuka. In February, a $21 million upgrade and repair was completed. Its role is to support security and stability in the Asia-Pacific region. With the help of the Coast Guard, the warship is now slowly heading back to port under its own power. These kind of incidents are rare, but just how did a warship with one of the most advanced naval radar systems hit a huge container ship in open water? Sarah Corker, BBC News.